So now let's see how we can work around with customized toolbar options inside of Microsoft Edge. So here on the toolbar, you can see that there are certain tools that are available. But what you can do is you can click on the three dot button and then go to settings over here. Then what you can do is you can go around onto appearance right here and then scroll down, and here you can see that customized toolbar is an option. So for example, there's the action buttons right here. So you can go around and turn that off right here. You can hide the title bar when a vertical bar is actually turned on. So let me just go around, turn on the vertical bar. So you can go around and turn it off and turn it on. And you can hide the title bar when you actually go around and then enable the vertical bar right here, just like this, hide and unhide. Let me just go around and turn off, and that is what you have. You can go around and see that as I hover over right now, you can see a hover right here. You can disable the hover and then it won't show the hover. Similarly, there's different options right here, like you can show the profile icon in the title bar right here and then restart it to actually show it. You can show the profile bar and profile button as well. You can go around, disable the workspace or show the workspace, as you can see right here. You can disable the favorites bar or enable it out right here. Disable the home button, enable it out. And then you can see that forward button can be always shown over here as well, or show it automatically. Extensions button, never show or show it automatically right here. So similarly, you can work around and enable and disable out different buttons right here. You can enable download button over here just like this as well, and then the apps button. There's the browser extension button right here, the screenshot button, as you can see, the learning toolkit button, share button, and feedback button over here just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and customize the toolbar option and enable and disable different options that you see in Microsoft Edge toolbar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.